I'd say one of the biggest lessons learned for us in terms of building programming, one is one that's been really exciting in terms of how it's pushed our organization, which is something I mentioned earlier, which is the idea that as we really became to embrace some of the things we were learning from YOUmedia in Chicago and some of the underlying Homago principles and the connected learning principles, one of the great lessons we learned was how much our young people wanted to use the YOUmedia space and the DreamYard Art Center as a place that could be a home for them. It could be a place where they could come and spend time informally, and even more importantly, as a studio where they could come and do their own work individually, not just in the formal workshop time. So that's been an exciting lesson and one that we're still grappling with, but we're really already seeing the kinds of outcomes it can have for young people. Another lesson that we've learned in terms of programming is that we have these wonderful visions for where we want our young people to be able to be in terms of the digital skills, but where we're working there hasn't been a lot of that skill development amongst our young people. So there's a lot of sort of basic skill level building that we have to do within the context of all of the other things we want our young people to learn about developing their sense of voice and how they can make an impact and as artists. Then you add this wonderful element of learning digital learning skills, and there's a lot of sort of basic skill building that needs to happen as you move towards a place where you have young people editing your films and doing all the top level work that you want them to eventually do.